In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hello everyone, this is Sani Abdo, an audio receiver medicine specialist. My tutorial today is about a quick introduction to hearing aids, so keep watching. This presentation will provide you a basic introduction to the world of hearing aids. You will know what a hearing aid is, essential components, types or different hearing aid styles, and candidacy criteria. So first of all, what is a hearing aid? A hearing aid is a battery-operated electronic device. Can amplify sounds for individuals with hearing loss. Hearing aid can be worn in a number of ways, from those inserted in the ear canal to those worn behind the ear. The technology used in hearing aids can be analog or digital. Analog hearing aids less expensive than digital. Digital hearing aids more flexibility and additional options to improve sound quality. What about essential components of hearing aids? The first component of the hearing aid is a microphone. The microphone of the hearing aids converts the sound from acoustic energy to electrical energy. The amplifier makes the electrical signal converted by the microphone larger. The receiver converts the amplified electrical signal into an acoustic signal. And the battery, the hearing aid's power source, the most commonly used type, zinc air batteries. We have 675, we have 13 and 312, and finally 10. So what about types of hearing aid or different hearing aid styles? We have IIC, which is invisible in the canal, CIC, which is completely in the canal, ITC, which is in the canal, ITE, which is in the ear, REC, which is receiver in the canal, and finally PTE, which is behind the ear. What about CIC hearing aids, which is completely in the canal? CIC hearing aids can be deeply inserted into the ear canal and is almost invisible. Less susceptible to wind noise, can be less reliable due to potential blockage through wax and moisture. Controls of the aid may be hard to manipulate. This is one of the hearing aid styles, which is the completely in the canal hearing aid CIC, and this is Virtuo P titanium hearing aid, which is one of the most popular, most recent, the most amazing hearing aid in the market. Virtuo Phonic Virtuo P titanium. The titanium shell is more potent than the conventional acrylic shell. So let's move on the ITC, which is the in the canal hearing aid. The ITC hearing aid fits into the ear canal. Slightly larger and longer battery life than the CIC, smaller in size than a PTE hearing aid, may be susceptible to wax and moisture that can plug the receiver. The ITE hearing aid fits into the ear canal but covers a part of the outer ear as well. Slightly larger than the ITC hearing aid, space for controls, space for directional microphone which will allows to suppress background noise susceptible to wax and moisture that can block the receiver. Behind the ear hearing aid, behind the auricle, is connected to an ear mold inside the ear. Relatively larger size, more amplification, longer battery life, and easier to clean. A receiver in the canal hearing aid, which is REG. This is Starkey LaView receiver in the canal, one of the most expensive hearing aids in the market. And this is the REG Phonic Audio Marvel, one of the most popular, the most amazing hearing aids in the market. Another type of hearing aid, cross hearing aid or bi-cross. Cross hearing aid for single-sided deafness. For single-sided hearing, cross hearing aids transmitter in the dead ear and a hearing aid in the other ear. This is one of the most popular cross hearing aids in the market, which is Videx Cross Fusion. Another popular cross hearing aid, which is Phonic Audio BR. Another type of hearing aid, which is a bone conduction hearing aid. A bone conduction hearing aid for individuals with chronic ear discharge, for individuals with single-sided deafness, for individuals with microtia and metalatresia. Is how the bone conduction hearing aid is, and how the bone conduction hearing aid for a lot of types. We have a Baha softband or Baha sound work from Cochlear. We have Adhere bone conduction hearing aid from Metal. And this is how Adhere is. Adhesive pad. And a BHM bone conduction hearing aid. And this is how the BHM is. Thank you for watching, and see you later inshallah in the next video. Peace and Allah's mercy be upon you.